everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with another do-it-yourself video, and this time it's to fix the E-24 error message on the Bosch dishwasher. Let's go. All right, if you see the E-24 error message on your dishwasher, it's usually because there's a clog in the drainage. Sometimes there's an obstruction or an object in here that prevents the wheel from turning, but usually in this case, it's a drainage problem. So these Bosch dishwashers are really easy to troubleshoot. As you can see, it stopped because there was not enough flow in the drainage in there. So first thing you have to do is take out that water. What you'll need is a dry vac. So if you don't have a dry vac, what you can do is do a drain process, and that's all you have to do is turn off the machine, turn it on again, press start, and then hold start until, yes. So now see how it goes to 0, 1. So now it'll go into the drainage mode and drain the rest of the water out. As you can tell, after doing that reset, it didn't fully drain. So I'm gonna have to either get a rag or you can use a rag to drain out the rest of the water there. Or again, if you have a dry vac, you can just suck everything out of there. All right, it's all vacuumed up, but everything looks pretty clear there. So my next step is to look at the drain. So I'm underneath my sink here, and this is where the drain goes. So I'll unscrew that clamp and see if there's any blockage in the pipe. Fortunately, these drainage pipes are clear, so I can see if there's any blockage within the pipe, but there's nothing. So let's unscrew that. Right, so I did find a little bit of debris that was blocking underneath the sink of the drainage hose, so I cleared that out, and let's turn it on and see. Right, cycle is complete, and dishes are clean again.